So you took over the notes and then you then foreclosed on the property to take
Yeah,
ownership?
so but originally the REO, we didn't go that route. So we were going down there to look at that, but then they said, hey, have you guys ever considered investing, buying notes? And I had no idea what that even meant. And then they basically ran us through the process of how that worked. And the difference between, they said, well, the REO, you've got vacant properties, the copper's probably all ripped out, they're in bad shape. As well with the notes, you're buying them at roughly the same discount that they could offer, but people are in them. And in most cases, you can work with them and, you can get them back on track because they really wanted to stay there, but it was just the climate we were in. Nobody was paying their mortgage because they thought, well, I'm upside down. So we bought them 10 cents on the dollar off the principal value of the loan. And you go back to the homeowner, and most of them thought that their house was maybe worth what the loan was or 80% of it. So it gave us a ton of room to work with. So we would offer to reset the loan, forget about the arrears, start over. But in order to do that, they had to sign the deed over to us and we would do a land contract back to them. And so as long as they made all their payments, everything's fine. They could refi, take us out. But if they didn't make the payment, then it reverts back to a rental and we can evict them rather than have to foreclose. So it allowed us to have a large quantity of properties, but not have the headaches of a landlord because they still had responsibility for maintaining the house, taxes, insurance, all of that. So we did that for quite a while until it's a much longer story how that ran out, which I won't get into.